Okay, so let's have a look at the second adjustment for the 2020 paper S Heighway Sole Trader. It says no record had been made in the books for goods in transit on the 31st of 12, 2019. The invoice for these goods have been received. Now that's important that they've been received. If we've received an invoice, that means that we have purchased goods. So it's showing a recommended retail selling price of 24,500, which is cost plus 25%. So that's how much we're going to sell them for, but we need to find out how much do we purchase them for. So we're going to have to find out what is the 100% or what is the cost price. So because this is purchases, we're going to have to adjust our purchases by the cost price. Because we're buying on credit, that means we're also going to have to increase our creditors by the cost price. And then because we're getting extra goods, we need to increase our closing stock by the cost price. So for that adjustments, there's three parts to it. So our purchases are going to increase, our creditors are going to increase, and our closing stock is going to increase. So the first thing we have to do is find out what is our cost or what is 100%. So 125% is equal to 24,500. So 1% is equal to 24,500 divided by 125. So 1% is equal to 196. So then 100% then is going to equal to 196 multiplied by 100. So the cost then to us was 19,600. So we're going to increase our purchases by 19,600. We're going to increase our creditors by 19,600. And then we're going to increase our closing stock by 19,600. So our purchases then, so the amount for our purchases, let's have a look at our trial balance. So our purchases are 1,080,000. And we're going to increase them because of the goods in transit, which is 19,000. So that's going to give us our new purchase figure. Now that purchase figure will go into the trial balance or into the profit and loss account in your trading section if there's no more adjustments to it. Your creditors then are also going to increase. So you need to find out how much your creditors are. So it's taken from the trial balance as well. So creditors 84,300. And they're going to increase because we've bought extra stock on credit. So we owe an extra 19,600. And that's going to go into your balance sheet and your current liabilities if there's no adjustment to it. And then we also need to adjust our closing stock. Remember, we have an adjustment already done as part of closing stock. So we're going to increase that then by an extra 19,600. And that's going to be your closing stock figure then. That's going to go into your trading account and your balance sheet and your current assets of 80,390. So when you get goods in transit, three adjustments: your purchases, your creditors, and your closing stock. Remember, we're going to increase them by our cost price. There's no VAT on this. So we have to calculate what is 100% and increase the three accounts: purchases, creditors, and closing stock by the 100%. In this question was 19,600.